Dear students, Dr. Anuradha here. Today I will be discussing another clinical VNF with you. Let us go through the case statement. A 17-year-old male presents with complaint of frequent change of glasses. On examination, there is seen scissor reflex on retinoscopy. Slit lamp examination findings are shown in the image given. All of the following are the treatment options for his condition except. Choices are scleral contact lens, collagen cross-linking, keratoplasty, femtolasic surgery. Students, as you can see, this question has two parts. First of all, we have to identify what is the condition patient is suffering from, and then we have to answer the question regarding the treatment options. Okay, so let us discuss the question in detail. So he is a young patient. His complaint is frequent change of glasses, means that his refraction is not stable. Then when the retinoscopy is done, we see a scissor reflex. So scissor reflex indicates irregular astigmatism. Retinoscopy is the procedure to measure the glass power, and if we see scissor reflex, that indicates irregular astigmatism. Now coming to the slit lamp picture, you can see here it is a picture of the cornea, and we can see that cornea is protruding like cone. So cone like cornea is there. So now this goes in favor of the diagnosis of keratoconus. Keratoconus, cone-like cornea on slit lamp examination, irregular astigmatism, unstable reflection. So now coming to the second part of the question. So we have to find out the correct treatment options for the patient. Scleral contact lens, yes. Keratoconus is treated either by using the RGP lens or scleral contact lenses. Okay. Collagen cross-linking, yes, this is the treatment option for progressive keratoconus. When the keratoconus is progressively increasing, cornea is thinning, we treat the cornea by UVA light after exposing it to a special dye called riboflavin. So that stabilizes the progression of keratoconus. Keratoplasty, yes, this is the correct choice, especially for very advanced cases of keratoconus or when there is corneal scarring. Femtolasic surgery. Now, femtolasic surgery is a refractive procedure which is done in the cases of when the patient does not want to wear the glasses. And it is not the treatment for keratoconus, rather it is contraindicated in the cases of keratoconus. So to mark this answer, we have to mark the choice D, which is femtolasic surgery. It is not a treatment for keratoconus. So students, keratoconus is a very high yield topic for your exam, and in my coming videos I will be discussing about keratoconus and other corneal degenerations. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon. All the best.